Hello friends, welcome to Learn1. In previous lecture, we have learned about the practical examples of arithmetic operator. And today we will learn about assignment operator theory portion. Assignment operators. There are several assignments operator available in Ruby. First one is equal to. When we want to assign some value to a variable or any other portion, for example, I want to assign a value a to my variable b. In this case, we are using this equal to operator, that is simple assignment operator. Second, plus equal to, that is add and assignment operator. What this will do is, here you can see in a screen that I have mentioned that b plus equal to a. So what this actually do is, it will add b's value to a. So final output would be b equal to b plus a. Third is subtract and assignment operator. When we want to subtract some value from two values and want to assign the same value to operand b, in this case we will use subtract and assignment operator. So its syntax is, the variable that we want to assign, that will be on left part, minus equal to, that is our operator, and the right operand. So here in example you can see I have written b minus equal to a. So that actually evaluates as b equal to b minus a. And this is how subtraction operator works, subtract and assignment. The next is multiply and assignment. When we want to multiply two values and assign that value to our left operand, we will use multiply and assignment operator. Here you can see in a screen I have mentioned b multiply equal to a. So what that actually evaluates is b equal to b multiply a. So this is how multiply and assignment operator works. Same, there is one another operator, that is division and assignment. When we want to perform division and assign that output to our left operand, we will use division and assignment operator. Next, we will have modulus and assignment operator. When we want to perform modulus operation between two operand and the output that we want to return to our left operand, we want to assign to our left operand. In this scenario, we will use this modulus and assignment operator. It will same iterates as previously seen operator like add and assignment, subtraction and assignment, and the other operators. And the last is exponent and assignment operator. When we want to perform exponential operation on our two operands and store the output to our left operand, in this case we will use this exponential and assignment operator. In next lecture we will learn about the practicals of assignment operator.